experiences at the Honors College has been a huge part of my life the past 4 years.
Rigor of the coursework here has helped me get in the right mindset to continue my education at a higher level.
I've served as Honors Student Association president for the past 3 years. I'm editor of The Saunterer. I've taken 3 honors classes and written my honors thesis. I've done a lot.
As a person who checked multiple minority boxes, as well as a self-proclaimed nerd, I really enjoy having that sort of push to better myself and push to better my community.
Through the Honors College, I'm going to get the opportunity to excel and reach my potential.
It's extremely enlightening about what I want to do, and it helps me narrow my focus into my possible career and future.
Find who you are, try out different classes that maybe aren't in your major's track, and kind of see where you're interested. Maybe you'll want to add a minor here because you experience an honors course.
Networking opportunities, faculty resources, things that wouldn't necessarily be available to the average student that I needed in order to make my career here at Salisbury successful. I'm very excited to be a student here, I'm very excited to be a student leader here, and I cannot wait to see what the next 2 years bring.
Having so many different organizations and clubs, you're able to find out if you really enjoy something, will you love this for the rest of your life? And I feel like I've found that so far in my collegiate career.
And has helped me figure out that I would like a job pertaining to business in some way or another, but also one that takes a lot of critical thinking, because I really enjoy what the Honors College has given me in terms of critical thinking.
SU has just provided me with an education that is well-rounded and will give me that wide view of environmental and geography issues that will help prepare me for what I will be getting into post-grad.